history is being made as the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi strengthened the ties in between Guyana and India with his monumental visit. This is the first visit by Indian Prime Minister in over 50 years to Guyana. On Wednesday, PM Modi arrived at Guyana after attending the G20 summit in Brazil, where he was warmly welcomed by the President Irfan Ali and delegate of ministers to discuss and highlight the importance of this visit. During his stay, PM Modi will honor the Indian immigrants in Guyana, a community of 3,20,000 people who are contributing for over 185 years in country's culture and economy. During his stay, he also addressed the Guyana's parliament, where he shared the India's vision for future built on mutual respect and shared prospect. At Lincoln American University, we see this partnership firsthand, located in the heart of Guyana. LAU bridges education and culture, welcoming students from around the globe.
The visit of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi to Guyana is a testimony to the growing bonds between these two nation states. We at Lincoln American University are privileged and proud to be a part of this cultural and educational exchange. The visit of our Honorable Prime Minister also lends legacy and honor to the legacy of the Indian diaspora present in Guyana and inspire our students to achieve and strive for global excellence in the field of their education. This visit also lays the way and paves the way for greater collaboration in technology, in healthcare, and in the field of education to the benefit of both the people of both the nation states. Also, this is one step in which our Prime Minister's goal of seeing the entire world as one family also gets attended to. So, I think, in my personal opinion, this is a wonderful visit. This visit is going to lend a lot of credence and strengthen the bonds of the two nation states, keeping in view the fact that almost 40% of the population in Guyana belongs to Indian diaspora. Thank you. Jai Hind.
As we celebrate this historic moment, Lincoln American University remains committed to fostering global connections, just like the one between India and Guyana. So here's to the future of unity, progress, and shared success.